your comment result of this game to?
Yeah. Today is a hard game for us, and not only about the result. Also, our team, the first half, play without confidence, and in this moment, Persik did control all the game, all the first half, and furthermore, in this moment, I are keeping bad moment in the game, but I need to talk against the referee. The pen, not pen, the guy thought only the ball. Okay. Of course, I need to talk about the team. First half will not play well, but second half will make good balance in the game. And you must speak sorry to our fans, because today one bad game for us, one bad day. You not repeat the same what you did in another games.
Thank you, Coach. Selanjutnya komentar dari Bang Rida terhadap hasil pertandingan malam hari ini. Silakan, Pak.
Sejujurnya bukan ini yang kami harapkan. Kami sudah berusaha semaksimal mungkin dengan sekuat tenaga dan rekan-rekan tim. Mungkin kemenangan belum berpihak kepada kami. Dan kami masih terus semangat untuk memperbaiki langkah demi langkah. Terima kasih.
Silakan, ada pertanyaan Bang Erik.
Hello, Coach. I'm Eric from goal.com. Too many defensive mistakes, not only today, but in the previous game too, which led into penalties. Do you think is there something wrong with the team's ability?
Yeah. You make many mistakes in defense system. But this one also comes because our midfield not control the game in the first half. Okay, and this one come very difficult for us. And second half, when you make three chances, the team make good defensive organization. You equilibrate the game stay in the same level. And after that, also you make a new mistake. The second goal, if I tell you, I show for my players because how he scored the second goal. This is the main point to Persik. All ball he go to right and the left back, side and the cross in that position that the strike stay in that moment. And in that moment you make a mistake and come the second goal. So you must take this many mistake today. Try to next game come everything perfect, because today one day to forget. Okay, what the team did today.
My question, Coach, from Coach Susitio. Persiraja does not have good ball possession and impact to shot on goal. What's your comment?
See, today we play without Bruno Dibal, our playmaker. Okay, and this guy, his position in the field, he give option for another to keep the ball. And today he cannot play. He get injured in the last game. And the level of our midfield drop. So I think this one is one situation why we lose many balls in midfield. Okay, and one team, all team, not our team, when you play without two foreigner, example, now our team all play without Paulo, our striker, our number 9, and today we play without try right and let's go.
From Gatot Susitio, Bruno Dibal, where is Bruno Dibal, Coach?
Bruno Dibal in the game against Persiraja. Okay, in the 20 minutes second half, he come a little bit in the leg, and he not recover in the time to play today. He continued in the pen. So about this, he not play today. Injury.
Ada lagi rekan-rekan media? Tidak, sesi posmed dengan Persiraja Banda Aceh saya akhiri dan semoga kedepannya Persiraja Banda Aceh memperoleh hasil maksimal. Terima kasih atas tampilan.